everyone, and today, I hope I sound good. I changed some stuff, so the quality should be better of this, and the sound should be better. I hope I sound better. I hope my mic doesn't sound absolutely terrible. Okay, alright. Today is day 2 of playing Waterpark Simulator. Yesterday, I think was successful. So if you didn't watch it, please go watch if you don't understand what's happening. But, okay. This is our water park. Yep, this is our water park. Hold on, can I pick that up? Okay. Pick up more trash. We made $300, which is good, because we'll need that money. So a lot of people were complaining about the decoration in this place, and how, like, hold on, let me just pick up all this stuff. What else were they arguing about? I'm not sure. But, oh, wait, showers, yeah. They said they wanted showers, so I didn't add that. Check the board. There's so much trash. Is that boat floating? Yeah. Okay. Showers. Hold on. Just. I'll show you the showers. Okay. We don't have showers yet. Oh. Okay, maybe we have to go. Get that. Yes. So people actually throw away their stuff. Okay. Utility. Alright, we're gonna put a lot of trash cans around the place. Okay, I think that's maybe one right here. Okay, I think that's enough trash cans. Showers. I don't want to put the showers right next to the toilets. Maybe right here. Three? Okay. Get all these in. Okay. Is it time to open a park? Oh, we are officially... Oh, wait, I didn't even see that. We're 1 star. I cleared all the trash. I don't even know why that's still in there. Maybe, okay, maybe I need to use the trash bins. I didn't even realize that. Okay, I have to use the trash bags because it won't count. Okay, I didn't know why I was doing that. Do they have shutters? Right. Open up part. Come here. Come to. Okay. Wait. Pick up visitor? Oh. Get out of me. Okay. I can pick them up? Oh! Did he just push me? Oh, no. Come here. Go play at this part, buddy. Alright. Enough fooling around. Let's go. I suck at this. 4 hours. Alright.
Yeah.
Bro. People are coming here after the job, bro. It looks like the full-on headquarters of a... Okay, I still got these. Let me go hand them up. Yo, come here. Here, take this. Oh, oh, people go... I made it... He was about to get groceries, and I made him walk out. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. People are already using the trap. People are waiting. 4 hours. 10. Garrett. What's up, Garrett? Four hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the amount of people we have. What? Yo, get out of here. What is wrong with you? I don't want to hammer this guy. Okay. Kobe. Bro, how did that even happen? Finally. Why is somebody laughing? Yo! I am so sorry. Imagine you're at a water park. You're walking, and then you slip on a puddle. Okay, just imagine how embarrassing that. I don't even know what I'm saying. Yo, did he have pink hair? Sir, did you dye your hair at my park? Guess wait too long to buy a ticket. Oh well. Busy. Here. Ah, my God. Oh, pick that back up. Pick it back up. 4 hours. Ozomat. Yo, this thing was at 0%. Bro. Since you're acting all tough, where is she at? And she left. I bet she left, bro. Oh. Okay, it's not playtime. Get out of the water. Garrett, you're fine. I totally did not hit you with the hammer. You're fine. Oh, I made that. I thought I missed and it burst everywhere. I want to hire an employee. I don't know if we can though, because we don't have 2 stars yet. Pretty sure we can today though. I just need to clear up every piece of trash. Let me see. Why is... Can people just walk around the thing? Get up. Okay, I know. Jeez, I'm coming. This thing's dirty. Okay. You completely missed the pool, bro. Hold on. I want to... Okay, I don't need... I should see if she's still in there. The person I threw in the other part, on the other side. Can I... What the... More people are waiting. Get over this. Oh. Kaiser. Teen. Jackson. Teen. Okay. I should low-key see if she's still over there. Hold on. She's not over there anymore. Dirt and damage. Okay, I already got that down. Did I make that? I'm not sure. Yo. Oh my god. Is nobody? Okay, I thought you didn't have one. You got one. Do you have one? Yes. Okay, everybody's good. Wow. It didn't even need to help me get it in, bro. So they can attack you now in this game. Look, want me to show you? Hold on. I go get somebody real quick. Ha ha ha. The perfect guy to test this on. Come out, bub. Come on. Did you? Yo, are you good in there? Ha ha ha. Tee. Oh, I thought you were the guy. Where is he? I swear I saw a cheetah. Or am I just crazy? I'll find him. Oh. Hold on. Hey. Okay, what is that? They switched it with the RV? Hold on. I'll go to sleep. Alright, time to clean up the park. Let's go. Get up. You're not back there? Alright, it's fine. There has to be a trash ranger somewhere. I think I placed enough trash cans where there's nobody's littering. Wait. I need to repair buildings. I'm about to get it. Hold on. Come on. Something has to be broken. Showers. Unlock water gun research. Oh, pick that back up. Pick it up. Okay. Alright. Let's unlock that. Okay, I did it. Spread love with water gun. I'm gonna go do that right now. Hold on. Bro, how is that rude? I'm just trying to spread love. You know what? Since you think you're so cool, come here. I think you belong here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Where did she go? Okay. Get up. Yo, I'm stuck. Can I jump this? Chill. There gotta be an exit. Can I make this jump? Give me there we go. Okay. Okay. Let's basics. Oh wait. Basic pools. Yo, we need that. Maintenance? Staff. Okay. We should get basic toilets. Yeah. So that means, or should we keep those for now? Okay. I don't even care. We have pools. Hold on. Dog. Hold on. Wait, they added. Look. Hold on. They added falling effects. That's so cool. I hope people can reach that. Okay. Alright. I think. We had. I think everything's good. Yo, I cleaned everything. Go check the garbage cans. Okay, I might need the destroying thing. Right here. Oh, wait. How much? $40? I think we're gonna keep the rust ones for now. We got slides, so we should have slide pass. Okay. Just open up. Let's go give out flyers. Get more attention. You wanna come? Here. Thank you, bro. Hey. Best day ever.
Welcome to Kmart.
Welcome to Kmart. How much is the hot dog stand? I should low-key get that after this shift. Senior, she wants the slide pass. Danny, senior, he wants the slide pass. Yo, we got slides now. 8 hours? You wanted a slide pass too. Senior. Yeah. Yo, everybody wants to get on these slides. Yo, we got motion. Hold on. Okay. Alright. So it says to spread love with the water gun. Okay. We're gonna do that after we get these people. Teen and you want no slide pass, bro. Dexter. Okay. Get the water gun. Oh my god. Get up, get up. Yeah. Inferno. I thought we were friends. Get out. You know, why are they making me repair? Get in here. No, you're not. Attack me. Fight me. Get up and fight. What, you tough or something? Yeah, run off. Hello? I about destroyed somebody with that trash bag. Oh. Trash. Yo, there's... Memphis, get up! Yo, trick shot! Holy trick shot! Yo! Who am I? Tom Brady? How am I throwing it to like a different side of the park? There's literally a chair. Bro. Yo, can everybody move out of the way? Okay, let's go pick up that trash. Pick it up. There you go. Ooh. Nice. Top bins. We don't talk about that. No! I was trying to clean it. I don't even care, bro. We have plenty of customers. There, I helped you. I knew you were about to panic, too. Thank you for using the trash bin, bro. Not need clean. Oh, no. How many people are at?
Yeah.
6 hours, senior, no slide pass. My throat's on fire. Oh my. There we go. Okay. Stir it up a little bit. Ah! Get! Oh. Okay, how much money? $600. Today was successful. We added slides. We're gonna add a hot dog stand real quick, cause I mean we're gonna be hungry right here. We're gonna destroy the old bathrooms real quick. Hold on, let me. Okay. Now we're gonna add basic toilets. This time we're gonna add 4. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to. I'd really appreciate it. I think we did a lot of good work. We have $114, but alright. But I will see you guys tomorrow on episode 3. Peace out. Oh wait, I gotta save it. Peace.